Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda CRV glove box. First, locate the latch handle, which is typically centered on the glove box door. Gently pull this handle towards you to release the catch. The door should then smoothly swing downwards, revealing the storage compartment inside. This simple action provides quick and easy access to all your stored items. To access components behind the glove box, like the cabin air filter, you'll need to fully open it. Start by emptying all contents from the glove box. Then, gently press inwards on both sides of the glove box door. This action disengages the side stops, allowing the entire glove box assembly to drop down further, giving you more room to work. For complete access, you might need to detach the damper arm. Look for a small, usually black, plastic arm on the right side of the glove box. This arm controls the slow opening motion. Gently unclip it from its pivot point. Once detached, the glove box will be able to swing down completely, providing full visibility and access to the filter housing. When you're finished, reassembly is simple. First, reattach the damper arm by clipping it back onto its pivot. Next, align the side tabs of the glove box with their respective slots in the dashboard. Finally, push the glove box upwards firmly until you hear and feel it latch securely into place. Double-check that it's closed properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.